Welcome back to Booze on the Rocks. My name is David Edwards, and today we are going to use these to make the cherry blossom. But first, this. Okay, before we get into the history of the cherry blossom, this request comes to us from Matt Day. He put this on my YouTube and on my Facebook, so please join us in our Facebook for Booze on the Rocks. So the history comes to us from the drink blog on liquor.com, and the authors love all things Japanese. And what we're just really talking about is the Cherry Blossom Festival. It's huge in Japan. It's what they call hanami. And in the century-old practice of drinking under a blossoming sakura, which is a cherry tree, or ume, which is a plum tree. Now in North America, the largest festival is held in Washington, D.C. And here in Canada, these happen in High Park in Toronto and the Queen Elizabeth Park in Vancouver. Let's get into making the cherry blossom. All right, to make the cherry blossom, I am going to use my mixing glass. Now we're gonna add some ice. Okay. And now what we're going to use is we're gonna use 2 ounces or 60 mils of a Japanese sake. This is a clear sake, and it's called Junmai Ginjo. My pronunciation is probably off on that. All right. Now this also calls for 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of a cherry liqueur. Okay. And today I'm going to use some Luxuosa for this because I really like this one. Look at that beautiful red color there. That's gorgeous. Okay, and we need about 1/2 ounce of Trippe Sec. Okay, that's a 1/2 ounce, which is actually equivalent to about not about, but actually 15 mils. Okay, and we are going to use 1/2 ounce or 15 mils of lime juice. Now again, I prefer fresh fruit anytime I use any type of juice, especially limes. 1 ounce will get you about, as I've said before, 1 ounce, 1 lime. So half a lime will get you about 15 mils or 1/2 ounce. Okay. And I also need 15 mils of a Grenadine or 1/2 ounce. And I'm using Rose's Grenadine here for this. And the red is just intensifying and magnifying this. It's absolutely gorgeous looking. And the last thing that we need, but not least, is we need 2 dashes of an orange bitter. And I'm using Dillon's Orange Bitters just for this. I keep dropping stuff, right? So 1, 2. And now we're gonna shake this. Got this nice looking orange, well not orange, orange is right here, but orange smell. I smell the brandy, a little bit of the sake or the rice wine. Okay. Apparently I'm confused. I can't speak, which explains why I've had to take this shot many times. Okay. And we're going to put this into a Coupe glass, also known as the original champagne glass. Okay, and I'm going to use my Hawthorne strainer. Look at that color. That is gorgeous. Okay. So now one of the things that we need to do is we need to garnish this. And to do that, I'm going to use 2 maraschino cherries. Okay. Da, Oh no, I'm dying again. So I'm gonna use this with one of my cocktail pins. And we're just gonna spear it kind of nicely through here. And you know, we're gonna set it to the back nice and center. Look at that. A gorgeous, gorgeous drink. This is the Cherry Blossom. Smells good, looks good. What do you think? Let's see how it tastes. So again, I smell a little bit of the orange, a little bit of the sake, a little bit of the cherry liqueur. Absolutely a gorgeous smell. That's good. That is a very good drink. And it grows on you the more you drink it. Oh, they got some good taste there. This is probably one of my B-list drinks. I really like this. If you think you'd like me to try any variations of it, leave a comment down below, please. I'm gonna put the ingredients in the description. And if you're new here, please like and subscribe and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way, anytime we give you, I put up a new video, you'll get a notification for it, okay? But if you didn't like this video and you didn't find it interesting or entertaining, hit the thumbs down button. And we'll see you next time.